Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's quarantine treating you? I hope everyone's fine, staying safe at home. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 very basic DIY t-shirts. If you're bored of the same basic boring t-shirts that you wear, you can definitely try something like this. It doesn't even require much to do. You don't even need to sew or stitch or do anything of that sort. You just need a pair of scissors and that's about it. If this is something that you're interested in, keep watching and yeah, let's quickly get into the video. So for the first DIY, I'm taking this white t-shirt with stripes. Then I'm going to roughly mark it a few inches down from the neckline. I'm going to join it to the either sides of the neck of the t-shirt. Then I'm going to cut along the marked lines and take that fabric off the t-shirt, leaving the neckline as it is. I'm going to carefully cut off any extra pieces of fabric that are left to the band of the neckline. So that's done. Now I'm going to crop off the excess fabric from the t-shirt. I'm going to cut it short as per my liking. And finally, I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so that it doesn't look like a raw edge. I'm going to do the same for the neckline as well, and it does make a difference. So this is how the end result looks like. I'm going to show you by putting it on. So moving on to the second DIY, I'm gonna take this plain black t-shirt. I'm also going to crop it out a little bit, not as much as the previous one, but it's totally of a choice. So I measured it with a scale and cutting it off with the scissors. I'm stretching it out at the bottom just like I did to the other one. Now I'm going to fold it in this manner to make a few cuts on the t-shirt. So this is how I'm going to do it. I made 3 of these cuts in different sizes. It makes this really cool pattern on the shirt. I'm going to stretch them out so they open up. I also made another small one above these. I think it looked much better now. I'm also going to make a similar kind of cut at the top of the t-shirt, but a smaller one of course. And yeah, it's done. This is how it turned out. And moving on, the third DIY is a pretty easy one. I'm going to cut off the neckline for this top as it is kind of damaged, so I'm going to make it work by cutting it off. This can be done to clothes with thicker material, or else it just slips off the shoulder unless that is what you're looking for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you like it, and if you do, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you again next time. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.